So in this next little lesson, I'm going to show you, you're going to use the same type of skill to apply to some other functions that I'm not going to show you, but you can figure out on your own because it is basically the same thing, just done a little bit differently. So this is called the left function. So let's click on cell H1. We're going to type EXT for extension. So think about a telephone extension or something like that. And then in I1, we're going to type floor. This is what floor are people working on, or what floor of the building. So now we want to go to H2. Let's click the Formulas tab. And in the Functions Library group, click Text. So these things, we're applying these things to text instead of numbers. So click Text, choose Left. So our dialog box pops open. And in text box, in the text box, click A2 and then press Tab. A2, so that is where we're looking. We're telling it to look in A2. Use that information. And how many characters from the left hand side of the word or the string of characters in A2 are we going to use? We're going to type 3. So if you notice, the first 3 characters in A2 are numbers, and it's consistent all the way down. So we're picking those 3 numbers out. So an A2 is going to grab the first 3 numbers on the left hand side, or first 3 characters on the left hand end of that string. So 425. We can copy that all the way down, so it grabs the first 3 letters of each one of those strings of characters in A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, and A8. Alright, so in I2, click the recently used button and select left. So recently used, left. We're doing left again. But instead of looking in A or A2, or we are going to look in A2. So do A2 again. And the number of characters, we're only going to do 1 this time. Instead of 3, we're going to do 1. And apparently the first character in that string tells us what floor the person is on. We're going to click OK. So they're on floor 4. And all the way down, 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4. So everybody works on floors 3 and 4. 3 and 4. And the right function operates the same way. And I'll show you how to do that real quick in the same exercise. So J1, click on J1, and we're going to call this birthday. Birthday. And the next one, K1, we're going to type employee, or EMP ID. Select cell J2. So what are the people's birthday? How are we going to take that information out of something else and put it in here? So click on Formulas again, click on Text. We're going to do the right. So what text are we using? We're going to use E2. E2. Press Tab. Now we're going to put in 3. So the right hand characters in E2 we're going to grab, and if you notice, it is the month. April, May, August, December, July, January, and May. And then employee ID, we'll just type it in, equals right A2 5. So the 5 left or 5 right characters. So the employee ID is 15210. Pull that down. So now we've extracted their extension, their floor number, their birthday, and their employee ID number out of this random information that they've given us.